Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a line in Google Docs. So let's begin the video. First open your document and now place your cursor where you want the line to appear. Now click Insert from the toolbar and then click on Horizontal Line from the list. Google Docs will instantly add a horizontal line across the page. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.